On New Year Day in 1995, I ran over a young man along Benin Road and spied him. When it happened, also because amara m ife a ga-eme m n'ọbụ na nkwụsị. Then, na-anya truck. Abụ m a truck driver then. So, and then na-eme ka mmalụ Kangelu village anyị on time for the new year. And after I ran, I never got back to visit the family again. That was on New Year Day in 1995. September 1995, I got married. And my wife didn't support me, always going with the vehicle, the lorry. I porta, I porta, next week. So my wife did against it. Because of that, I had to pack the Gongoro Nanya then. Where Babazia town service with bus. Chineke wegozie mu with ụmụnwaanyị eto m ofu nwa nwoke. My son, amụrụ m ya onye ọ bụ nwa izizi m onye ọ bụ diọkpala m. Amụrụ m ya na 1996. Anọ m nwaanyị September 1995. Then I gave birth to my son August 1996. And to the glory of God, Chineke me ebele nzụa ha na school. Zụsịa ha na school. Fancha gosia school. My son kwesịrị ime 30 years this year. But on New Year Day 2026, my son na-anata from Lagos, Ebobi. Welute n'ụzọ Bini n'Ore ebe ha paaki moto. Ka ọ cross main road gote ihe moto ọzọ kugbuo my son. And the driver ran away. This thing is happening in 2026. The sins I committed in 1995 has caught up with me. Akubu Muhammadu also. And later I got to hear that the boy was the only son. This year, my only son is no more, and the Madu Kubulia were also. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this for people saying Enwaro Kama. Kama indeed is real. As of this year, Adam 74 years. What is going to be my end? Okita kange jebe no mai. There is nothing I can do. But the thing is that today, I want to make right everything I made wrong during my youthful age. If you did something emanana sonso, biko, may if you kwesile because obolo makama or the real. Me, I never believed. But today I am living my kama. Omerom nazu, omemuniru. And omelum mgbe na manwenwu ohere. We rectify that mistakes. Ekene mo no makeni fene jelo no zi album Princess Chinwedume Nnamoko mkpolo mandi Igbo nke izizi n'Igbo niile gba gburugburu ụtọ nwanne ya ada dị ọra mma n'obodo ụfọdụ. Dey you queen.